My name is Manpreet Kaur and I have taken my arts training from the Trackers Institute located in Malerkotla. I found this institute very useful and helpful for me because all the staff members here are very cooperative. They lend me helping hands whenever I needed their help, and it's because of them that I am able to achieve an overall band score of 8 in IELTS. I scored 9 bands in reading, and I owe my success to all the teachers and staff members at the Trackers Institute. And I also recommend all the family members and other relatives that they visit this institute once, because it is one of the best institutes I know for IELTS training. And I assure everyone that they will get their desired band score here. And I think all the staff members are very helpful and they appreciated my success a lot. They gifted me a trophy and also given me a cash amount. And I'm very thankful to all the staff members at the Trackers.